abusuafo me mobibia adwo eba Oheneba Media eso enwumere mu ama join me live nyina no ye Facebook account no ye Oheneba Media, YouTube account no so ye Oheneba Media, ana ye website no ye www.ohenebamedia.com. na me no ba be bon komo efa kwankro yare a aba nyina no efiti be na otwemiensa na otwemienu ni ho asemwa nkoma na ye bono eye coronavirus no eja ye de ho update kakra bremo na ye hunu yare no bia akwaduro ne anamo sese yetuo na de ntra ye ni abri nyina ne se woman Ghana ye mobo swat yase yade yi se wo hwese de ewiase afanan ebinum yusu gadget ahodo na omode ko yare no a na wo hwe kwane a Ghana ye nso yafa so a ye de ko yare na chise ye ho mobo paye na anamo a nipa etuo ene aban empanimfo anamo mutuo nyina no ene se nipa beti ase se yade no etiase na edi awu ya beye kwankro nanso Oheneba Media nhwemu a ya ye se bepem ne ni titinu ne Ghana fo bebere kura anyini se yade bi ho wo hwa ewom se abemu mpadimfo ene mpadi asofo kukudam etu na modie nanso dodo no a milimu ala se ye bo apaye o saye sabe anyani honhom na tiwo mu Thomas honhom na tiwo mu yenim na anwumre yi ye be kasa bebre afa ho na ye be komenhia nso emse menhia nso kwasiada nkedi ye nemu ya kwaside otumfo nso ama nananom atrankonwa e de ato nsentrofo anim se nam yade ye kwankura ye nyina ye bo ho mpaya abandi nsusu ye de abasa ye nya gathering nti for the first time akoside a kebeba so kwasiada ebe no akoside no nso emma ye de ho update bebrew afei ye be hwe ba bia yare no akwakoduru as you speak China ne de yare no eba ye fiti ase wo ho na China ekura about 1,199 cases inipa 3,254 na ewu say report wa yense catch say Italy aba bebi ti omo a Italy kura nipa 3,405 and ewu against China ye 3,254 na say Italy yare na aye hu ho che ba bia na ene ye beko Italy nkura wudo ni nyina so na ye ni Italy for abobon komo atwetwe komo ne ahwe sade yare no esiko ye beko Ghanaian communities no because ene yatese ene nkoa enipa yare no yakosie wo mu ho enya segeto awe ho papa ye de ho update bebro from Italy na say ene nkoa enipa ewu with Italy no enya nipa ketwa ye de ho update kakra ebebre ma so mahunu nia ekoso ewo honom abuziafo ansa na yade interviews ahodo bebro no yenhwei amanfo yusu gadgets ahodo na omunde ko yare no yenko Ghana yenko hwe kwan omuso nanso omoku corona virus yare no for Ghana no wa huna fidia ye de kon yade no aba no se moto blue se fidia de gu tomato susu se de ye de egu emekosu ne ye de spray amanfo na we ni omaya ye free mo. This is the case here omanfo no a yare no ekunti omo no so most of them also any serious. They don't care about Yariano said the AC Kobia. Now and we will be communicating to a lot of people on board, especially Italy. Because all the cities na yabon kakra if you who said the Yariano AC 80 at say or as you speak, Italy ne wiase nyina omudi kaya ekum ni padodo. Na aya rewosem aya ni bresem ya enafom san say enipa ewu no edoso eduruma bia waka say agudie ne yedie but aya agudie aya asem a esie ya aye hu papa enti mesre say obia mfa yade yi eni agro na yemoa na yenyan kodene say de be ye betimi abre yare na se na ahead of kwasiada akosida ebeba so no nanka akosida ebeba so otumfo eye menhia fikasi mu menhia aye nsantrofo nhia mu kakra na omde atodwa se akoside no emaso afi omde ato nananom atrankonwa nyina anim se omombedi akoside no ewo omunkrum no ebeye se wobeko nkonwa de no ogun san akre de hu hia se obeye gathering no ma amanfo aba be chiachia na de oyuni bia aba esan se omunyina edidi abanhye ode aba no so ekawa akasanteman akasanteman ti directors e free menhia aba no se all gatherings including a nyina no otumfo se yemfa ni nyina embra ase na yemoama asundue embra yenkotie menhia kakra mra ye ba ebeto ankomon so.
The second Akoside of the year 2020 falls at a time when not only our country but the whole of the human race is in the throes of an epidemic never before experienced in history. The coronavirus epidemic has plunged Ghana into a state akin to a state of war against a ferocious enemy, with every potential to destroy the health and social well-being of our society. Last weekend, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, announced a series of measures aimed at mobilizing the nation to combat the pandemic. In response, I cancelled the planned Council of Asanteman and directed all traditional councils within Asanteman to suspend all meetings until further notice. For our second Akoside on the coming Sunday, Nananom have been directed to restrict themselves exclusively to their traditional rites and to avoid all associated public sittings. We go further than that. In recognition of the enormity of the crisis facing the nation, we are directing Nananom to assume full responsibility in concert with other agencies of state for the enforcement of all state directives aimed at combating the pandemic. The ultimate objective we have set for Nananom is to ensure that each can, working with local government, security and medical authorities, protect their areas of traditional authority and keep them as corona-free zones. The World Health Organization, which is leading the global fight against the pandemic, has made it clear that the only option open to the world today is to suppress and prevent the spread of the virus. All the scientific brains available in the world are also agreed this can only be achieved principally through social distancing, isolating people from each other, and by strict observance of personal hygiene, emphasizing regular hand washing and controlled coughing or sneezing with tissues. In line with this advice, the greatest nations in the world, the bedrocks of democracy, liberty, and fraternity, are currently in complete shutdown. Religious worship from the Vatican to Canterbury have been brought to a halt. That is the extent of the paralysis COVID-19 has wreaked upon mankind. It was in line with these directives that our President too ordered the closure of all schools and prohibited the assembly of more than 25 persons. I do not get the impression, however, that the seriousness of the President's action is matched by the actions of the people on the ground. In fact, the load of traffic in Kumasi suggests to me that we have not grasped the full gravity of the crisis. and assuming we can continue to go about our business as usual. I am particularly alarmed to see a number of school children who were sent home to protect them from the spread of the virus freely roaming the streets. Leaders of some churches, too, are surprisingly grumpy. With all the moral authority we can muster, I implore the people of Ghana, every citizen of this great nation, young and old, men and women, and everyone who lives within our shores, to wise up and recognize that this is not a matter to be trifled with, and certainly not a matter for government alone to deal with. It is a matter of life and death for each one of us, and for the entire nation of our nation, and for the entire economy of our nation, excuse me. If we fail to contain and suppress COVID-19 at this point, and allow it to get out of hand to the levels of Europe and Asia, no African country can survive the consequences. Our health service will be overrun. Hundreds, even thousands of our loved ones will die. Our entire economy will collapse. And with all other nations already on their knees as a result of this pandemic, there will be no one to turn to bail us out. This calamity, as the world has never seen, and every Ghanaian must recognize it for what it is. In the face of such pandemic, all political, religious, traditional, and social norms must be set at zero, and all our energies and actions focused on one thing: the suppression of this brutal enemy. For this reason, I ask for a moratorium on normal political activities for the next 4 weeks, at least, so that the nation can focus all its attention on beating the corona. And I appeal to the media to turn up the heat of political discourse and devote the bulk of resources to the coverage of the global struggle against the pandemic and to a national campaign to help Ghanaians stay away from the virus. I ask all our sons and daughters to stay home and avoid all travels and all visits except for the most essential purpose. Parents and guardians must pay particular attention to the school children who have been sent home to ensure they stay home and do not go roaming about. The history of Ghana and of Africa tells us that the most colonial authorities relied on our traditional rulers during the period when we were under subjugation to rally our people behind their war efforts during both the First and the Second World Wars. Today, when we are free and managing our own affairs, there can be no question that every traditional ruler has an obligation to place himself and the authority of his office at the behest of the sovereign state in times of crisis. On the eve of Akweside, Nananom at all levels must stand shoulder to shoulder with all the agencies of the state for the defense of the country and the protection of the health of our people in this historic war against Corona COVID-19. Long live Ghana, long live Asante Man. Thank you very much.
Yo, abusiafo menhia na omoden centrofo nhia mu asesese no ne nyina ne se kwasia da edi animu nanka akwaside kese ya otumfo tenase ne na brempon ene na manhene ene ne nhemfo abechia no na afi ade ne yadie de abeto dwuna nyina nse santehene se akwaside no watwam emaso na nananoma trankunwa nyina nso betimi awo nkunwa fies no ayo amamene ne wamane nemom ade aye gadran ya obebodwa bia no santehene atwam se until further notice se niema be kofom no watwam tena report we free mensia enso eba na yede atoaso ama no na abusia enankoma ebebo ne se uhwe wiase afa na nyina omai ba ko asese wadi him anase wadi kai wo coronavirus no mu Italy man na nanke nyina ye nim se ade a Italy man se ubu akonta na ji se China ena yare no everywhere ba ye ntina nka wo se China wo mu epagya nanka ewiase nyina no wo mu ne di kai nanso Italy de mirika tenten ababe te China na oma be di kai e China man so enti say no ba bia akwadro ne say Ghana this year wo ho ene oman Ghana ene asanteman ene atichiri na ntre a omo Italy nyina no abo nipa ne dodo no a ehu ama nipa omo ewuom ewo Italy no edoso pay over 3,405 people ana ewu ya bebon komo ako Italy krono so various associations ye wo Italy any various cities no ye be call ne as Ghanaian communities na ho na bobon komo ne ahweyare no ba bia akwakoduru na abusuafo ansa na ye be call Italy ne abon komo no nana mese wanya ako asantefo hima wo Italy nana matese wo maame afrim ye ma oyako nana sekofo se me fafidie na me ma oyako ntirana me gina asanteme Europe so anem na masa ma oyako yanko Italy na ye be bon komo nansa na no yenhwe news e free Italy bai na yenhwe ha wayare no ese adi him ho na afi ye ni Italy adehye no mon komo from all the cities across Italy meba.
Italy has reported the highest one-day death toll from coronavirus than any other country. Officials said nearly 500 people died on Wednesday. Videos posted on social media are said to show military trucks in the city of Bergamo preparing to transport the dead to nearby cities. Mortuaries and crematoriums in Bergamo have run out of space. Medical teams from China have arrived to help authorities fight the virus. The governor of Italy's hardest-hit region made this appeal to medical students and retired healthcare workers.
I want to appeal to all of these doctors and nurses. Make yourselves available and lend us a hand in these trying times. In my opinion, through the cooperation and availability of these professional health workers, we can find important answers to the challenges we face.
Let's bring in journalist Seema Gupta, who's standing by for us in Rome. Seema, dramatic scenes there in northern Italy. The governor calling for help. Does he get the support he needs?
Well, that's what the governor of Lombardy is actually saying. I mean, he's made it very clear, look, warning that at this stage, we may reach a situation soon where they won't be able to treat the sick at all. And he's calling on the residents in Lombardy, but also all around the country to essentially stay at home. And that's the message of the Prime Minister as well. He gave an interview to a local daily here, essentially saying that the country and the measures that they're going to take, they expect them to get even stricter. A complete block is what they're suggesting. The sports minister has already said that he's looking towards the idea of stopping all outdoor activity. That means no more any walks or jogging in the park, simply because they need to stay at home in order to limit the spread of COVID-19. There is also word that the school closure will be extended beyond April 3rd, and that's because also we've seen 43,000 violations of the lockdown measure in the space of 1 week, and the authorities and officials are imploring people to listen to the rules, stay at home, practice social distancing, only leave home when it's absolutely necessary. They're very concerned, as you've said, we've seen these dramatic and immense numbers of the dead, just 475 dead with COVID-19 in the space of 24 hours. And it's because of that, I think, that the authorities believe that the next week or so is very crucial. The peak infection rate still has not been reached here in Italy.
Now, as you say, I mean, people there, also where you are further south, are faced with those incredibly dramatic images from northern Italy. Will that help to convince people to actually adhere to what the authorities tell them to do or not to do?
Well, that's what the authorities are hoping for. That's what the doctors are imploring. We see frontline medical professionals going on social media, imploring everyone, showing them, we go to work to save lives. You do your part. Stay at home. That seems to be the message that they're sending out. Here in Rome, for the most part, you do see people adhering to this. It's frustrating for people to be stuck at home. We're now into day 9 of the lockdown. families at home with their children, having to deal with work on the one hand, as well as dealing with their children's schoolwork, trying to juggle all of that and manage. It's not easy, but if everyone does their part, as everyone keeps saying, we're all in the same boat. And so if everyone does their part, this will help limit the spread, not just up north, but also for the rest of the country that is also preparing for a rise in infections. Now, you talk about the doctors, the military has been brought in to help with that, but also they fast-tracked the graduation of medical students.
All right, Seema Gupta there reporting for us from Rome. Thank you so much. Britain has also stepped up its response to the coronavirus. The Prime Minister announced that up to 20,000 military personnel will be put on standby. The United Kingdom is bracing for the stringent measures that will come into effect on Friday. In addition to schools, dozens of underground stations will be closed. Other public transport services will also be reduced. The government has advised people not to go to pubs and restaurants, though an official ban is not in effect. Let's cross over now to London, where DW correspondent Birgit Maas is covering developments for us. Birgit, London, of course, is a big, huge city, and it's now facing strict containment measures, which the military could help to enforce. How are Londoners coping?
Well, there is a sense of doom, I would say, across London, because I think a lot of people are expecting this to get even tighter and maybe into a complete lockdown. At least this is the speculation in the media and on social media. So we might really see Londoners being confined to their homes. And what you see at the moment is that people are trying to go and shop as much as they can. So if you go into the supermarket in the afternoon, the shelves are really, really empty because people are expecting that there will be shortages in the future. Of course, the authorities are saying it's because the demand is so much. It's not that there is no supply of essential items like toilet paper or even food.
Abusuafo ya mamu nyina mu akwa babiem Oheneba Media no asoguso awutie YouTube account no Oheneba Media, Facebook so Oheneba Media na Italy ne yakoba ye no na yesa call London kakra na ne pese ye mamu update kakra de ekoso se uhwe ewiase afananse de yare no asiagi ahimo a as you speak na Italy the governor of Italy or call for help or say omanfo a omo yare ne hunimde omomra meboansan se omane ya agenensem afei walanchi jumedie bi efeno stay at home na sister tenawu fie wango fa bi amba ni nyina ye measures ya omudi egugu akwan so a ebetimi abre yare no ase ene nko ba nipa ewo Italy 475 people ana ewo ewo yare no Bergamo crowd de the military cars ne de difun na gumbebre ana omudi ekoba bi a omudi ekonese ade a aye enibresem akoye arehosam pa wo Italy memu na Italy nso ye kroba ko Ghana de hye pa egu ho enti ye bewu nkompon ne akoyachi na ye ne Ghana de hye ewo Italy no uma bon komo from cities no ne yabusa de so mo se de yare ne siko say na situation no a ewo grounds no ankasa esitie na yabobobo ne nyina nkomo na nsa na ye be ko Italy no ye nsa nko Ghana ne ye hwe ha wa mo so mo ko yare no na afi ye nto ankomo ne so. abusia for mama yankwa homa no so quickly medical dia to bia se ene ya de ani be kire Italy memo ho na ya bon koma hodo no akọ Italy across the cities ne ahwe yare no ba bia akwa kudru Mr. Afe no abaso a no join me a share video ne ma ye ne invite am for brem ha ye Oheneba Media na Italy enen kwa nipa yare ne mu ye about 475 people as you speak says here the governor of Italy or calling for help ama says here uhwe news ahodo a wa introduce bibia in friend stay at home na say on po ho asem a tenafie yanko ne ne Ghanaian communities na ho ne monkomo ene Ghana fo ne adehye na ho ne hwehwe nkomo akra ne hwe ehu a abu omo yare na ete say the situation on the ground and say because Ghana de ni ho aka de nanso yare no ye mfa ne serious enti me free say video we ye ne dretch a ebema enipa bi omo ni na omo so no omo so ani de omo so no say the yare no esiko first of all yeni kai enko Verona ne nana ahenkra emo enkomo nana omama ahenkra emo nkomo ona ye asantefo hene a o Verona na na oti yanka ye mo adwobo Oheneba Media so
yo Oheneba mejo so ani
na wadawro ma we de ye bedo ase ye frɛ wanadwi wagye so
yo
na yenhwɛ as Italy Ghana this year ni titulu ni asantefo adehye ya mo eye Verona situation na wo Verona ne te say ehu abomo ana
many ehu kakra wa ha government measures that they are not check nipa more than the current track na mpono so obe pie na wo kwaduma o ma ye permit amaya e woni ta permit ni bia woni ko ade pie woni bia the sure that final tega motia na anase o ko 2 months treatment na tai no so ama the movement I think you be pie na kuma source to do na ya tutumo test for market am to bia na e BBB to bia na eno mpono I guess I must lie because you're not more than anything in the last 2 minutes. Few people, most of them are, most of you are not feeling other batch, I call them. And Grusa, thank you. Now, you many, and me are breaking news by a test. Nipa 627, and I need
that's yeah, 475 now. You know, yeah, we are there 2 more near Tay. Say, I try.
And currently, in the past 627, and I'm going to have Mumina or my rules at the one share masker. The shower it means a final. And it's open would be less than 1 meter away. Until in the deep rules, no so they are safe. Now, so far, learn a have here. A non continue beer and a
Nana, finally, before you go, if you're 40, how as a Ghana for Mumfa, Yarian say serious. Kakraben, I can't room enough for Yem Fauziani and Fafu from Maka.
You met him in your number. I will tell more funny serious by in the sense. Abrafo, I use the man, Unia, 1 meter, not just a woman with the Cataprano. And to shoot me the Muba. Yeah, open now, a bit more good another good him, I'm not on fashion maybe. And as a whole, any disinfectant, I mean, powerful, probably 50% alcohol. Yeah, we'll keep away from disease, you know. Very important. Now, Mamma, or my mother said to me, thinking I have no. And far Okala. Na emono enjum kakra nyanom a emu nge ahwe hu ni te blood group a no form very vulnerable to disease.
Okay.
And the one that omoja blood group no here na they take over them. Small thing no good many dia okon e dey entmenko. And the minimum omo fanya Israel na yen sefi dia hu hia na mpi na e me ho ba.
Yo Nana Omama Kwati Ahenkra Asantefo hene a o Verona nana yabedo ase mfa woni abonkomo abusiafo yane nana ne bonkomo no ene wo Italy yane mpanimfo akukudam etwe nkomo ne ahweyare no anamo ebetu afa woni kwan yabefa so a sabi yabehye ho so na ne titru Ghana de hye wo Italy no asese yare no ho akwa the leading country a nipa ewuo ne nipa yare ne eke wo no yane mbetwe nkomo yenkwa homa no so na yane Yamame Frimpoma or Palemu Emonkomo. Mammy Frimpoma, I am Wajo. Yo, Mammy, na Palermo, Italy, baby, I'm one also saying a situation in the city.
Madam Palermo had the Badi, I am a boy, it's answered. You want to be a few man, I am fine to regular. You see, I buy so some rammy and said, interview. Keep your money in school, all about a continent called Juma. Now I was my farm to regular, Obet nephew, you need that crack. The Aliana of the blood, am I any regular? You bit me, I think, a call Juma. I'm not you. You see, I don't have drink any of wood you pan ye. So the better son of a summer swan, beating it or darker, and granted to cow. I know how am I. The man said, I'm Ghana for the sea, no. Or Joe watching it, Yaliano, Utin to me, any part. So the end of the more than I will bring anymore. No, I've been away anything to move on you. The man saying, I'm Ghana for that, buying the maybe a patte. O monte fica crane stu for son fina a solin so muntuma o montiate na sabe como é para sonda e hai abo some so itia campo o mato e fica Ghana sabe a sonda pode Ghana yentia sonda ka na ya abai e ka monte fia ahamo e me seme nyam Ghana for ne o montie de abanye penu for no e ka na ya le bia e huye e sayale. It's all could dig up for now. 1 year, we keep a say, oh, Pedia could dig at this year. I don't know. And now, for it to oh, be how you could. Or yeah, so I never say any fruit and government moved at 2,000 euros. How you put now, one I wouldn't name last. The next in Yam Ghana phone, Omunti, the Abane come.
You, Mate. Oba panyi Frimpoma yenhwa de ai odi a wo ye oba sabe mona muko edwom na adwama sura muko digwa na mode ebe fie na mema no nso yenya bi adi yenhwa de ukokuma se ye bitse Central Market Accra Makola Market enipa obo api so people are saying say ebe ya the way ayare na trend no ana the ayare no spread no ka aban kura to sa various markets nim Italy say the city more shops are mudiga wo ya tutumu ana.
Italy, yes, I did a woman, they told you and Kwam and yet be. And no cramp when I want to move to the person. Now, would you be boom yet a wild boom for today to say, Mla, yes, I lie. And I learned about my Italian tomatoes, oh, many panel, now Casabamla said it. Oh, Pampa, Buni Pan. And I saw the room for. One bill on for Mudimu Devina Mupia, not for Soyade, Apple. If you saw a tonta, you, Pabu, Padu, and the Yimi, so you be I will be a Tony do another be a Tondian. Just when me and one is room yadi, be. And I want to meet you up on Tabla, and near agreement in our Upia and also to the feet. The Juma Pamon, or see who's the one from Sabana Biaba, the Bikuta, and son, I want to be a P.
Mommy.
What do you find for P?
Okay. Mommy, ya bedu ase ansa na obekokura no ka bibi kire abatan a omo Ghana. Nti true eye ma ya omo Ghana efa ya de ho ne emfa wonsia.
Mese mi nua no abata fo a omo Ghana say. Omo tie de America no omo tie na Africa. Nti true yensa hohora ho di die. You say omo say na bi e ho ni dada de. But the woman who be no any more first, no. Ediane a draw me and family your man in me. You was a Diana Granny Dino, a Diana Nancy. Is she a real step video? Oh, man, Granny Yanum. No one person, I know a deal bit of the away and start anything there. na yɛ nkyɛnse asɛbi yɛ mu nnuane ne mu kaa so ɔnom nso ɔmɔbɔ mmɔden so mbɛsiesie ɔne baabi asɛbi ɛde yɛtiri to yɛ home no nso no ɔmɔbɔ mmɔden so mbɛsiesie ɔnom ɛmɔ ɔnom so ayɛ neat kakra ama yɛ ɛbɛfoa
Mame ana oba panyini from Poma, ye bedo asone ye bon komo from Paremu. Abusuafo ye gusu e bon komo from Italy across the cities. Na ye hwe e wona se said you yare no elidie ana coronavirus no ekum nipa do penti na ye wo ho ye bon komo dit suru ne ye adehye ho ye Ghana adehye ene ne omu e bon komo. Ye nkwa ma no so ne ne kwabena asenso o Brescia e mon komo. Kwabena ma joy.
Ana ye so.
Kwabena Brescia so situation it say e Italy.
Mama so the we di edikra kanu. Saa na da bia so etia ana eko. Na oye ye say emoya eko ma so mi obi fo ye hu eti eyadia akoyadia ibuka. Eti so we be free na odi akoduma a obe ba na nyame ye dia sida edema no so de biye no bi aka no ibe pie dia na kuta pita dia polisi ejino ya oni betche no sisi kwa no o ma sha de payslip aka ho tu na ma payslip no ka ho payslip no so make sure say this month payslip no kuta wo enti polisi ni sia wa ampolo mu say oni adwuma ana wo kwa adwuma no no de bi so ya tutu akoye se ni mu ye adwuma adwuma no kwa eboko na ubefisi aba ko group no mu dua ubeworo sa asa no ngo adwuma mu ya na adwuma fo no bia so to machine a udu ha o de betse no ma so na wudu na watwere anopa no de owudi no no watwere na wasan saa no no mu adwuma no no police for me say adwuma yo adwuma ti o mo so o mo control ko no na mo sa control adwuma ni
okay
it will ba anapa no ipo mo no o check the machine check e o mo no o wa de control ko pa ni na say o mo na sign ampa so be see we check in na 35 na 25 and na 36 o be ni na so the no work no emu sa le din e wa hatin me ka sei de bia me ba e mu titi amatie no o me si ni pa be so o da be 20 kwa le kwa o me de time ato 30 minutes so ko sia o si o de si o fi lo le ni pa so o so ba 30 minutes no so bi si le die ni pa bi ebusuona we be for pe we be for ba we be for omo a we si we si ni pa no ni pa be tu so for the bon pa ya ma no o mo ko asa we si we ya to ni na tro wo o check up here we so the media ba ni ko se o be tu o kra etro na ni ya na we dey ni toriga to bi ya je no titi na se wa ha so no de ba yo so ha se no ya ye tin eti na the whole system no after enkola ko ni kunu akola okunu say akola from 5 years to 18 years there so be ni kunu say o so be as dem you no DMP akola ko supermarket na bisuna so ko supermarket ni kunu so no ni supermarket ba ko to ni dum na ba ko tena kai mu the building akodi gano e le kwa na obefa pie obefa the before it is what the no get me for kwa ya tutu na katu na pie atore saa na no no eki ya na yeti na mama so saa no shi se de mama ebe de so kwa mama sa bibi ba se upia so to me promo de no so blues account
okay
if you press you are not issue issue and so ya problem system so the two no na you no do it no e be ade a ye bi en ho a o ba so ba be do no
okay Okay. Abuziafo yane kwabena asenso yata friend manager Italy the open manager obiani no. Na nka manager will manage all the situations with Italy and yare chronocrent me manage no tufo amum yentie. Manager ya bedo aso na yebon komo. Na yankwa homa ne so biem na yane Edward ewo Vicenza.
And now abaya sisato on when you so ayeboka.
Okay.
Ena mesre na makasa kakra ama hapo Ghana. You come Ghana, the Omunti and ye. Yariana, ye canetano, and yes, a diabro. The one who will be a dear yellow. I won't be very by year more for I used to Yari with the diabronana. Yarini, the chance of gra, street and let me say, the sweetest bit of power of the chance. One I'm so I won't want you to come, you know me and stop. And I'll be more so. Let's say, no more Ghana here for my show. I brought for you call more one cardia crown and he'll come say you. That's said, the young more before you knew more Acadiano. Say, if you come a day na your baby. I see a year that said 600 a day, no. The TFC Ghana, a day times 5 times 6. Your power show. And she say, I find a dear book upon Omuni so. Said ye, I really are changing from hay. Ye Majuma and never cast a Majuma me to pay a king. You name when I did ye. A pint and telephone. Intimacy number 3, the bush of 4 Ghana for. I said, now you can't say, Yarian infinite that he be a system. Although Chinese research for any kind say intimate black skin, but I will never tell them to listen to those rumors because when you be US, how you movie, it drew so I think so there are a whole lot of people in know.
Okay.
Or a black person ask when I really if you best almost a idea no Muslim say Yariano ain't that or money from Muslim, no more fine. Tell me a day, if the import, the other people in the empty spread, Tell me, I spread you Italy. Italian government, underestimate Yariano. It's a boa form also at this time or no. Other countries and to the same thing, how much is it before also? The head chat and say, I want to say Spain, a group 20,000 almost working. And it likely said they also clocked that 41,000 year, you know. Because Obia is setting a real you have to say a bush and force or more buying. MIA said you you bet them packet and Jimmy and deep bonnet, said you deep bonnet will you require and Jimmy and yes, you don't want to be green on them.
Yo, I was there for bon como, Yari Abbey, near Yamuguswa, Yatuchon Comarca. Now, Yansha say Yane Michael Chibabon Coma, Michael El Begamon, Michael Marjoy. Michael Begamon swear a was and saying, I'm a near Bernard boy.
I'm a patrol, I'm a dazzling brain, make ya, tearful, I decline better than me after Motima Husses program, Mamma, and Apostle. They were young and a 4 Italy memory, as 6 money, they bought him. But I said, better more, I remember I have a the kid Diana Hadis. Better on a Yaran, Capancasa, a Tisipa, Interno. Being going to be a casa by 15 in a tight chain, 15 in Italy, and the Begamo. Tiano, Martin, Nima Bakubi or Yakumu or boy at the in terms of your paper, some boy a canoe.
A Kumai, why now see Arena Kuno?
Then Mamma Bakubi or your okay, you're more Kumu, Yakumu, no, Mepane, a Ghana council, remember the. Your council, or yet more your council.
Okay.
yare ne kuno ana harum so mrano sa anu ya din hamra no ma so se sia na no ya din
okay
frem nhwehwe amaye mu ni from Monday going no de na me ya aduma kasi dia anya aduma pass nya aduma three nya aduma ko Milano because so mimi sisi ameka say eti Bergamo sisi makoka Milano intimi wa Bergamo ya because Bergamo no ma claim say danger zone this amayi no maka Milano ono but ono so me hide down ono me hide down so Bergamo interne na aboa me kakra
ya samu say na mo movements esitie mutimenya akwanya pie anamo nso mugudam sa mu ntimpi
ka pe kwa no me hwe adwuma ba me nfi but no ye movement de no se se na minya no maka ni nyina no ahwe yi ke na obehwe because ya no fa wani no ko ka se bia we won we no nyina ye nyame ami ne se so mo ye ho ba because no ma da fo bi ba yo pa me ba mo kwa bi menye
okay
na me na sisi ano yesu fele te ombo ye nyina ho ban na ko Ghana so ti no maka bebre ye nyina Ghana mo no ya su ti pa because no mo fa ta di ngo ye politicism mo fa ta ya le ye politicism medical ka di mo fa ya le ye politicism na mo kana mo kuku ya le na ya no ko ye wo ko no mutimi so ano no kura no enye ide na what about the say mo so mo Ghana no say
aya semo
and ye never be three akula sewa aye Bergamo cause Bergamo na ye dey main zone ela fa kwa metino ye fa won nembro ona yare ni die ewo eni abinu onu de bra sate kwa na kukudi pa ni be dey that minimum sika ga bit ma bo si aji na puni papa ewo ye ni breast up there kakra
okay
ye ni de yare ni de hanum de wo pa yare de hanum de wo kama me si ya me kase ya me jam na so me kase ya ni mo chicken ko mi ntimi ma Bergamo me Bergamo ye chini no ano
Obanyini yamfa unsia na yani I think your last person in Kasa Asantemai Italy the president on one people no so ahoma so Mr. Akosa Mr. Paul Majo Mr. Paul Majo
yo mi de we ke mo ansana makasa Asantemai Italy your vice president no to Traviso waba platform you so ana waba line so
oh okay
so the Traviso there ko so Traviso e be twa mutia wa ansana president Mr. Makasa
okay Traviso me ba to yanhwe wo so e de akwa opanyini kase
we dey before me damaso na mo dika so sani you know I jinjini sani bitimi si yare ho kwan na enya ahoto kizani enianu bia kamachi so kakra fa yale nya yale bia yale o si etia go adu ni na ebi wa ha jese ya mai ni na yiwo fie ebi dum ko adwuma de na nya dodo na jese ano din yi about a kitty Monday calling no so no ya she bia just a middle time the cry na kana cry be sa to any adinti ya de bia kokone ni na tani ni anu maka ni na je be ya shi na ebiti malaso na ya tawo ko tisa de obi ka ni sie no emfa ono se ya se tuntum nyabi ebiru so kwa de akose se o se akọ de ade ti bia o bitwa kakra ni nya bi de ade ni na no emwa na ni na ne ahyeyi na yi driver boy home by sa na ibe tufu ama yi ku Ghana po se ahampo na se bi omo ewo nro ni ade no kra no omo de mla toto nti se Ghana po so a bi tie program no omo ni na so be ya hyeyi na yimina yede mpaibo akechiri se yebetimi akọ edamose
okay Okay. Yada si o amaneba di free traviso ebre. Ave yanko the president na nkasa ho. Nizopon yetie o.
Yo, minia oheneba gin mako. Yada what say one my opinion na yene atiefo the ekoso ewo Italy ha. Na ni the ekoso no. This would any better. Ye can see na obi be free say ye ha ye ni ama ye the I am share na to enko so. Na so e dey na tie. The man atemi eye me won kra ne say ebenyimfo a omom pie kwa animu pi pa omu ewu okoma efa yare ho menki ase say sampanyimfo no omu nyenkofo a omu age omu de corona bo omu bo a omu namu a na omu akonya sa yare bio
okay
so na yo omu titiki na enso omu sanya sa yare no odwen ho a won tiase say penyimfo a omani afia mrewafo ne nkokofo ekom pandia ese efahe wana de brewo mo so obi wa won tiase se dodo na ewu ne penyimfo na omo saafo no so nya nkokofo a omo etu na mo se mrante wa ne mabawe o kino ma yare no eye wawa so bi a odwen wa won tiase mo man se hu yi pa ade bi o so no fi musu no ye ha ite ru ya mi amema hand sanitizer na odi ayon seman ta bo nsa because ade a o se me ya e bo ami aka bo awa wo be shi ho
okay
nti nhye ya ayi nyina no de enema gu akọ e protect e won protect won na e ba ye ncha na so won na omo ben nyina nti the threat in your more Ghana and they want to wa fan area fan in your or TV or radio echo baby it will be a whole TV say yare and yare did you yare baby green wine chassis and for if we have China for you a power most will be come by react family we are Europe no ya je yare no abroso a China for no kwa no mo ye nya ho fa ma yare ni mum aba abe Europe for Japade na ata toa ko ye Ghana muni Africa ne we are the say yare na di ho mo me very careful na ye nhwe say yare intimi nsemo enkwachi ene mo Ghana so omo ntie ni yi na omo ho ban e wo nhye ya aban ne di aba no omo ni so omo ni so a said ye ho chere o ha ye chipia ye mi na se Ghana economy ni nye e ti ko ban sa se ye tu mu ma nyina mu sa o Ghana e de o how to say na be Ghana for nti ye stress se obi ani mraso na yare no intimate ano me da sipi
yo president yenso yabedo asese one oheneba media bo nkomo ye da sepa ene adwuma maboa ya me yabo abuziafo kakum yagene kwakua no mu Italy ne call all the cities almost all the cities yeah they full report if you are bro yade aba besense ewie mu aye nyina ye ni abre ho aye kon na abusua moma ye mfa de ekoso ne ni agro sanse ewias no aye hu sesei sanse yade no obai ha ne adi dwumade ne nyina esie media ne oheneba agye ni makon de besa ba bia no yade bebrem